This box is now made with less material. Well, the question that remains is, less material than what? I received this package in the mail and I was confused when I got it because I didn't order anything big. That's it. 3-in-1, the blue can, which of course is for fee-ins. You can also use it on lawnmowers, but it's mostly for fee-ins. This little can of oil requires this entire box to get here. And we could have used a box that's maybe a 1/15 of the size. And I suppose this is better than those plastic padded envelopes that Amazon notoriously uses, but this is a ridiculous claim. It's made with less material than what? This uses a ton of material.